Hey, good evening, y'all. Welcome to the Real and Cyber Chief Jay here. It is Freedom Friday, and I'm gonna be spilling a little bit of cyber tea, but I'm trying to get you all up to speed on the things that go on and that can happen in cybersecurity, because everybody thinks it's all bells and whistles, lifestyles, and fly cars and all of that. But they run a tight ship, especially on the government side. So that's the reason why I try to stress to you all doing the right thing. So what I'm gonna be talking about today is the Civil Cyber Fraud Initiative with the Department of Justice. This was launched in 2021, but reading as of late, it's been a few lawsuits and cases against a few people. So let me tell y'all what the Civil Cyber Fraud Initiative is and the reason why it's so important, especially when you're a government contractor. The Civil Cyber Fraud combines the department's expertise in civil fraud enforcement, government procurement, and cybersecurity to combat new and emerging cyber threats to the security of sensitive information and critical systems. In a nutshell, y'all know we have all these contracting companies out here, right? With all of those companies out there, they're winning contracts to provide either products or services to the federal government. Well, the government is going to check to see what's going on with their money, okay? I'm going to tell you that they are worse than 50 Cent. They need their money by Monday, okay? Especially when you're not doing what you're supposed to do. So what's happening is they do have a lot of audits and ways to check if they're doing what they're supposed to do. Like if you're not meeting certain cybersecurity criteria, we talked about the 8140.03 in one of my previous videos, and I'm doing a whole video on that as well. But that's one of the ways. So they have all of these checks and balances in this cyber policy and doctrine. And if the companies are not meeting the standards of those systems that they getting paid a lot of money to maintain, it's going to be a problem. And I've just read a couple of companies have to pay back a lot of money. And I'm gonna let y'all look those up because I don't want nobody coming for me thinking that I'm trying to slander folks. But I mean, it's literally out there on the internet for people to see. But look up the Civil Cyber Fraud Initiative and then put in 2025. It's quite a few companies who have to pay the federal government back because pretty much they breached the contract, in so many words. If the government is paying them to provide a product or service and that company does not deliver, the government coming back for their bag. Simple as that. So that's the tea for today, Freedom Friday. I want y'all to look up the Civil Cyber Fraud Initiative and drop in the comments what y'all find about it. And before I leave here, make sure y'all subscribe to The Real and Cyber for more and hit that bell so y'all can catch me as soon as I load these videos. And I'll be seeing y'all next week. Y'all have a good day.